Are you still on the fence about applying to Atharva School of Business for a PGDM? Well, I've got some highlights which will help you in quick decision making. At Atharva School of Business, we are learning and growing every day from the best of the faculties and industry experts. I am talking about the ease of coordination and approachability of the faculties with the students. We're getting hands-on business exposure in this practical course which emphasizes on internships, organizational studies and on-the-job assignments, which has not only helped me sharpen my interpersonal skills but also my communication skills. We have multiple certificate programs like Advanced Excel and Data Analytics. We have ASB MAP, which is a mentoring accelerated program where students are mentored by industry professionals. Now it is about state-of-the-art facilities. We are housing best of the labs such as innovation labs, smart classrooms, a beautiful swimming pool, and a library where knowledge and literature is available in abundance.